In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the Proteus Pro 9.1 free trial from the official website. I know you like tutorials like this, then don't miss a single part. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel. First, open your web browser and search for Proteus Pro. Scroll down through the search results and open the official Lab Center Electronics website. Once you're on the website, scroll down and click Get Started Now. Enter your email address in the required field and click Download. Next, open your email inbox and look for the confirmation email from Lab Center. Click Yes, subscribe me to this list. You'll then be taken to the Lab Center demo download page. Click Subscribe, and after the process is complete, click Continue to Website. You'll be redirected back to the official website. Scroll down again, click Get Started Now, enter the same email address you used previously, and click Download once more. Go back to your email inbox and start downloading the Proteus Pro 9.1 trial installer. As you can see, the download begins and the installer size is approximately 861 megabytes. Wait for the download to finish. Once the download is complete, open the installer and begin the installation process. During installation, choose the destination folder where you want the software installed. After the installation finishes, Proteus Pro will launch automatically. That's it! You can now enjoy the official Proteus Pro free trial and start exploring its features.